That's the dining area. This is the seating area. Yeah, a nice big kitchenette area has a fully spacious, elegant looking master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Park Cubics by Satwa Developer, which is located at Devanahalli Circle, Devanahalli, North Bangalore. We are going to do this project sample flat tour. Well, regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Well, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly with the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And also for more videos on this location projects, click on the I button. And now let's go. So now talking about the project. So the Park Cubics by Satwa Developer is located at Devanahalli Circle, North Bangalore, and it is going to be constructed on 18.5 acres of land parcel, having 10 towers which are going to be divided into 3 blocks, and they will be having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium apartments. Well, now let's talk about the connectivity. So as this location is right on Devanahalli Circle, so Devanahalli bus stop is just 1 kilometer from this project. Airport is just 7 kilometers from this project. Tech parks are 7 kilometers from this project. Hospitals are there within a radius of just 3 kilometers. Devanahalli town is just 2 minutes from the project. And now let's talk about the amenities. So the project has 40 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of gymnasium, swimming pool, a terrace pool, clubhouse. Then you also have outdoor sports activities like the cricket practice net. You have a football field. You also have a basketball as well as game of chess and many more wonderful amenities. Let me also tell you that the project has a commercial block also right inside the project. So that's also really very great. And now without any delay, let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. So right now we are heading to the 3 BHK sample flat of the Cubics by Satwa Developer, which is of 1498 square feet and which is located in Devanahalli Circle, North Bangalore. So without any delay, let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So here we enter. This is the beautiful and a huge spacious looking living area. That's the dining area. This is the seating area. So a nice big spacious place, and here you can have your showcase or your TV, or you can just customize and design as per your requirement. And look at this, a beautiful wide balcony is what I must say. That's really very great. And if you're on the higher floor, you get a beautiful view of the greenery and get a nice breeze. So a balcony is always like a cherry on the cake, and that's really very great. And now let's go ahead. So as we can see, vitrified tiling has been given over here, and the windows are like wide French sliding windows, making the house look even more grand and spacious. This is the passage area that's been given over here, and that's really great. That's important too. Here is the kitchenette area. A nice big kitchenette area has been provided over here with stainless steel sink. 2 windows have been given for your ventilation as well. There is a separate place given for your washing machine as well. So that's really great. A nice big spacious kitchen. This is how you can also design and customize as per your requirements. And now let's go ahead and see the remaining part of the house. So here on my left is the big, nice, spacious looking common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings and a small window for your ventilation as well. And now let's go and see the bedroom number 1. Let's go. So this is a nice big spacious looking bedroom number 1 that's been given over here. There is a small space for your study as well. There is a half French sliding window that's been given over here, as well as a nice big place for your wardrobe as well as if you can see, the ceiling is really heighted, so you can just customize the house as per your requirement, get more utility space as well over here. So that's a bonus point. And now let's go and see the bedroom number 2. This is the bedroom. This is how it's been designed as of now, like a drawing room or a seating area. Customize it as per your requirement. And this room also comes with a balcony, and it is equally as big as the one which was in the living area. So that's really very great again as well. And now let's go ahead. There's a small space given here for your study as well. So you can see each place has been beautifully designed, and this is how you can design as well. And this room also comes with an attached washroom. A nice big spacious washroom has been given over here with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, a small window for your ventilation as well. And now let's go ahead and see the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. We also give you the sample flat tour as well. We let you know the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? We also give you the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And we also let you know the pros and cons of every project. So if after all of this, if you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks, you can just go and book your free site visit. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit right now. And now let's go and see the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. As we enter, there's a nice big passage area that's been given over here. On our left is the nice big spacious washroom that's been given over here with anti-skid tiles, sanitary fittings, small window for your ventilation. And now, wow, look at this. How beautifully spacious, elegant looking master bedroom. Like actually what makes a master bedroom, this is how big it is. That's a space for your wardrobe. There is ample space between the wardrobe and your bed. There you can easily make your dressing table as well. And here are these half French sliding windows that have been given over here. And not just this bedroom also comes with a balcony additionally as well, and it is equally as big as the other rooms. So that's really great. You can just have a leisure time in the balcony and just enjoy the breeze outside, the beautiful scenery outside. So that's really very great again as well. So yes, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the Cubics by Sattva Developer, which is located at Devanahalli Circle, Devanahalli, North Bangalore. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can just go and click on the link mentioned in the description. As well as if you need details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. And before going, we would like to ask you, what do you have to say about this location for buying a property? Let us know in the comment section. Your feedback is important to us. Also, before going, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Housey for more details, for more videos and for more updates. We will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Park Cubics located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore by Sattva Groups. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.